Greetings, candidates, and welcome to the lesson. Today we are going to begin on the new subtopic on data visualization. And in this subtopic, we will cover the definition of data visualization. Number 2, the benefits of data visualization. Number 3, types of data visualization. And number 4, qualities of good data visualization. So those are 4 areas, but in today's lesson, we'll focus mainly on the definition of data visualization. In this lesson, we define data visualization. We'll also identify the visualization tools, specifically in Excel. Then we will give 3 reasons why data visualization is essential. 3 reasons. So those are the 3 things we are going to do in today's lesson. First of all, we define data visualization, which is a graphical representation of information. Data visualization is the graphical Data visualization is the graphical representation of information. You may have information in form of text, in form of videos, in form of numerical. So when such data is presented in a visual way, we say that is data visualization. And we use visual elements like charts, graphs, maps, and so on. So by using visual elements like the charts, the graphs, the maps, data visualization tools provide an accessible way to see and understand trends, patterns, and also outliers in data. And in the context of big data, data visualization is a process of summarizing millions of data points into a single visual story. Because you recall, one of the characteristics of big data is that big data has comes in large volumes. So if you have large volume of data in form of millions of data points, those millions of data points can be presented in form of a picture or what we are calling data presentation, a graphical presentation, so that it is possible to easily understand the data. Are you following, candidates? Yes. In the context of big data, data visualization, I repeat, is a process of summarizing millions, if not billions, of data points into a single visual story or picture. And this visualization requires specialized tools like Tableau, like Power BI, and so on. But we also have Microsoft Excel, which remains to be the most common entry point for data visualization. So Excel allows users to transform static tables into dynamic visuals. And these standard tools could be standard charts, the tools. These are the tools we may use in data visualization. One is the standard charts. And this could be the bar charts, the column charts, which is best for comparing categories like sales by region and so on. We have the line charts. You can use line charts, which are ideal for showing trends over time, like monthly revenue and so on. Pie charts is another tool that we can use to present data that is used to show proportions of a whole. Understand? Yes. Bar charts. I mentioned bar charts. You can use bar charts. Then number two is the conditional formatting. Conditional formatting. Conditional formatting. Now, this visualizes data directly inside cells using color scales, using data bars or icon sets. For example, highlighting all cells where profit is negative in red. You have pivot charts or tables. This is another tool, pivot charts. These are linked to pivot tables. The pivot charts are linked to pivot tables, and they allow you to filter and slice through large data sets to update the visual instantly. These are pivot charts. Then another tool that we get in Excel is the sparklines. 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 These are tiny charts that fit inside a single cell, providing a quick visual trend next to a row of data. So these are some of the tools that we get in Excel that can be used in data visualization, which is the graphical representation of information. Then, candidates, what then is the importance of visualization? Why is visualization essential? Why? Why do you think it's important to represent information in form of visuals? Now, we need to understand that the human brain is wired to understand images. It is wired to process images much faster than numbers and text. That's why when data is presented in visuals, in charts, in bar charts, in pie charts, in line charts, in pivot charts, in sparklines, when that information is presented in such format, then it becomes very easy for the human mind to process such data, to understand that data very quickly. So visualization solves three specific problems. One is clarity, then the other one is efficiency and discovery. Why? Number one, clarity. Visuals simplifies complex relationships. For example, you may have scatter plot that immediately show if there is a correlation between, say, advertisement spent and sales. Clarity. Number two, efficiency. Efficiency. For example, a CEO can look at a dashboard for 30 seconds and understand the health of a company. just in 30 seconds without reading the financial statements and all that. You can just look at the diagram and understand the financial position or health of a company. Whereas reading the underlying spreadsheets might take many hours. But a diagram, a picture can help the CEO to understand the financial health of an organization. Another reason why this data visualization is important is due to discovery. Visuals reveal hidden stories. You might not notice a single data entry error in 10,000 rows, but on a graph, right? But on a graph, that error will appear as a massive or an obvious spike. You can identify a problem in a graph than in 10,000 rows, because the information that is in 10,000 rows can be presented in a picture. So it becomes very easy to discover any error or any hidden story. And the hidden story could not just be the errors, but also the trends. You can see a trend in data that is presented graphically. You can also see patterns when they are presented, when information is presented graphically. Because as we said, data visualization tools. We said these tools provide an accessible way to see and understand not only trends, but outliers and patterns in data. And that's kind of the meaning of data visualization. It is the graphical representation of information or data. And in Excel, we may use tools like the standardized charts, the line charts, the pie charts, the bar charts, conditional formatting, pivot charts, sparklines, and so on. That's the end of today's lesson on the definition of data visualization. Bye-bye.